Many people on YouTube probably remember back a few months ago, about 6 months ago now, that when Dad and I had to make a emergency repair to Grandma's electrical service. Well, we had to disconnect her window air conditioner, and the reason being is that the wire going to the window air conditioner was down. It was down here, and it was running alongside the old electrical service, and it had to be disconnected so we could pass inspection. Well, it would have been practically impossible to connect it back in the breaker box inside the house up there, because we had to cut the wire. So what I did was went down here and made that hole that I just showed you, and went in there and cut that wire with some dikes, and came out here, and I stole the 30 amp breaker that was in there, went on that circuit, and came out here and did this for right now. I'm thinking this is only going to be a temporary solution. I pulled the wire out from under the trailer and attached on out here with the 30 amp breaker in the breaker panel. Maybe I didn't show you what I did. It's that one with the green switches. This wire here, that goes up to our street lamp, which is way over here. And this wire in the black tube, that goes up to her pump house, which is over there a little bit, kind of out of sight. Now, I just wanted to show you what I did, and this is probably just a temporary solution. That outlet's been there probably 30-something years. So later on I might change that outlet or something, and that's because I left all that extra length of wire to do that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.